Hey friends, today is March 26th, so I'm gonna go get some food. And tomorrow I'm leaving 11 p.m. to Surat, so 9 hours by bus, and then probably Udaipur, Jaipur, Rishikesh. Maybe we'll add the Taj Mahal in the list, and then and then we'll try for Nepal. I hope the plan works. I like that Aurangabad is not super busy. Like this is the station, and it's like the streets are empty. Yo, so near the place I'm staying, there's like this Lalaji's restaurant. It works till 1 a.m. and has everything. Like, look in the menu: pizzas, veg soups, papas, eggs, juices. Look at the main course, veg. And the prices are very good. Like, this is like a proper restaurant. You even have 1 kilogram chicken biryani with gravy, 1,000. Yeah, I'm just waiting for omelette, naan. I ordered naan. And buttermilk. Yeah, so this is what I get for 60. This is 25. This is 30. So yeah, that's like a very proper meal for a very good price. What's this? Like sweet palm.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the variety. This is chocolate?
Chocolate.
Okay. Yeah, it seems like my hotel has a lot of cool places, like this tea shop. This pawn shop. So far people are treating me here super nice. I don't know why, but probably because I'm from a different country. I don't know how they treat locals, but yeah, it's quite enjoyable, or quite nice. So this is the place I'm staying, Hotel Holiday Era. It's like 1,000 rupees. Even 900 if you pay cash. So, and the beds are super good. Just don't read the reviews. Yeah, little small shops. Got some shampoo. Yeah, this is quite a nice city, actually. Have some chai here. Hello. Okay, thank you. Yeah, kind of hurried. Probably could do them Ayala caves or Ellora caves. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow, but like I said, I already was in caves in Mumbai. We took a boat ride for 2 hours. It was okay, but I don't know. Kind of feel like I skipped the tigers at Nagpur. Yeah, I'm like skipping the caves. But yeah, but my goal is not like tigers and caves. My goal is like just to move up to Nepal and just to see cities that I've never been to. So that's my main goal. So I'm getting some pan. What is this? Saffron? It looks like saffron. Probably not. So the leaf is from betel nut, yes?
Sorry?
The leaf is from betel nut?
No.
No? Okay. Some silver. Oh.
बस ज़्यादा मत डाल सुपारी खाएगा पूछो नहीं सुपारी मत डाल दे बारीक 2-3 टुकड़ा डाल दे
Yeah, they have like chocolate ones. Oh my god. Okay, thank you, sir. Hey.
हाँ मैं ले रहा हूँ पाउडर
Damn, somebody had a very serious crash. That's like a brand new car also. Yeah, you need to be careful here. Yeah, I'm getting hooked on these. Like, yo, so I'm back home. I was out eating, so I just wanna show you a little bit of my plan. So now I'm here at Aurangabad. Here is Surat. And probably like here, and probably if I feel like it, after Surat I'm gonna go Udaipur, Jaipur, Rishikesh. And this is Nepal's border. I think it's called Banbasa. So you can enter to Nepal through here and just go here. I have a place marked here. Puwa Lake. Here's Kathmandu. And after that you can just go back through Raksal back to India. So from Kolkata there is cheap flights to Bangkok. So I'm just saying, I'm not gonna push myself too much, but probably this would be the good plan. So after Bangkok, I don't know, I'm just probably gonna chill, maybe visit Cambodia for like 2 weeks. Not like pretty much, I don't know. I wanna try to get a visa to China, but it's just more like maybe. So after that I don't really have a plan. Maybe go to Philippines, maybe not. Yeah, pretty much did this. I didn't go to Australia, Papua, but I heard it's dangerous. New Zealand, I heard it's expensive, and Australia is also expensive. So yeah, there's of course Bhutan, Bangladesh, but I'm not really up to. I was thinking about Pakistan, but I heard like the visa process is hard, and also the flights are quite expensive. So I'd rather just, you know, go back somewhere home. I didn't do like some Europe countries. You know, better just spend my money in Europe. Maybe next year, if I feel like it, try South America, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Chile. Yeah, just try this. Maybe I'll get a visa to United States. Maybe go to Mexico. Maybe, just maybe. But yeah, for now, plan is simple, but still gonna take me quite a while because every city needs like 3 days at least, especially when I wake up super late. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this day, March 26th. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm checking out from this room. They're gonna give me another room to keep my stuff and just to chill for free. So till 11 p.m. I'll have a lot of time. So there's an option to go to Elora Caves, but it's like 2,000. So I don't know. I'd rather spend that money on food and just I don't know if the caves are worth it. Like I was like in Mumbai in the caves in that island, so I don't know. Maybe it's more cool if you're into history, but yeah, let's see how I feel tomorrow. So yeah, okay. Good night, guys.